What? You know I'm gonna stand outside for you. I'm gonna be alright. I just wanna spend my time with you. You're my sunshine.
What's good, y'all boy? It's your boy Kid and we back with another video, and today I'm doing a little something different, you know what I'm saying? This ain't your regular average video, you know what I'm saying? Today we're gonna be doing a self-tutorial on how to cut your own hair with locks, you know what I'm saying? With locks, you feel me? It's something different, you know what I'm saying? I just had to get a video out for y'all, boy. Be looking forward to my baby shower video I made like last week. We had a lot of fun, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that video coming soon. If I don't drop it before this video, we getting back on the grind, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put out a little bit more content, you know what I'm saying? Explore what I can do. If y'all don't know, I'm ready to be cutting hair, so I'm gonna just teach y'all boys how to hear y'all. So, you feel me? So that's pretty much it. Before we get into the video, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Turn on post notifications, because I am doing a little something different today. You feel me? This ain't your regular average video, like I said before, you know what I'm saying? But as y'all seen by the thumbnail, let's get into it. I mean, it ain't too much else to say, you know what I'm saying? About to get started. Yeah, let's do it. I need just like to you know, bro. How many sticks in there be 8 by 8? So first, you already know you're gonna need your liner. You're gonna need your something along your hairline. You're like, you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's sharp and clean, you know what I'm saying? Because you can't be out here with no getting retarded hairline. So you're gonna need your brush, and you're gonna need these two. Not these are your liners. I use two, so I use this one. This one gets my job real crispy, and this one right here I use to line up my mustache, and this one right here, you feel me? I do like side guards, coming up, you know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it, you feel me? Besides, oh yeah, make sure you got you some rubbing alcohol. Yeah, that one. You feel me? Y'all got a little extra money, get y'all a little pen along like the white chalk. This the white chalk right here, you know what I'm saying? This is what you need, my boy. That's basically the only thing you really need, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know what I mean? Ain't really too much to say. You feel me? Let's go ahead and get in it. So first, I'm gonna start off with the brush, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all get y'all little proportions right, you know what I'm saying? You wanna brush the hair down, make sure the hair is like way down, because you don't want to be cutting no curly hair. I'm saying how I brush it. Let me show y'all brush. How I brush it down. Look at this side. Hold on, let me show y'all. This brush really gonna get the hair to get way down, you know what I'm saying? How you want it to get way. You know what I'm saying? So it's able to cut, you know what I'm saying? It ain't crunchy no more, you feel me? Brush it down, do whatever you do for you. Like I like, you know what I'm saying? Get that right. Me personally, I start off with the line, you know what I'm saying? Other people start off with different. I'm gonna start off with the line. This is what y'all can have for, right? That's it. I gotta tap it. Go with the brush. Brush it down. See? Right here. I'm gonna get all that loose hair right here. You know, I got a widow piece, so you know. I'm gonna go on with this. Get all that loose hair. Get all that, cause the other clip is kind of a little too dry to be doing this, so that's why I'm doing with this. You know, crispy. Alright, so this is next, like I'm trying to do, you know what I'm saying? Like a touch thing, I mean, brush that down. Go on with my cookie. I'm gonna go all the way down with it, you know what I'm saying? You don't wanna go at too sharp, you know? You're gonna go all the way down, like this. Make sure it's all the way down, not up like that. Down. Tap it, don't even do a lot. Don't do too much. Take on the tap. Yep. See? Yeah, done. Go all the way up. Tap the edge again. Yeah, I'm in right now. Make sure I know you put it 1 to 2 I know what I know. I had to make a little setup, you know. Y'all really couldn't see me, but we got it better now, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all can see now. Yeah, I'm gonna get that right. Just basically got now, you know. Brush out here now. Alright, man. You got a nice little fade going. Got you. Got a nice little fade going. I'm gonna show y'all what to do with this. What's up, guys? I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, y'all see that nice fade? All you need. Look, this is what y'all gonna put around. Make sure y'all get it like the corners like this. Just go straight down with it. You gotta do 2 minutes.
First thing first, let me set the tempo. This shit too easy, it's simple. I'm running the Benzo. This movie ain't no Kenzo. Tell none of these niggas I'm big broke. You ain't fucking in what you here for. Might put my tongue on sip now, but you know just how that shit go. I'm the shit, she know I'm a big deal. The rest of these niggas get shit on. I done been recruit that little deal. How you think I'm putting that shit on? So close to touching my first meal. I might just go put my bitch on. 100K a month still, and I ain't dropped no bitch on.
Money too high. This real shit made me a lot. Yeah, these niggas really be cops. He'll get money.
I barely use the clippers. You know what I'm saying? I barely use the cars. Right there. You gotta do too much. I think I'm leaving it. This is it. I kind of like mine to get a little dark. Y'all see? From this side to this side. Y'all see the difference? I don't know if I want to see how this side, but let me get that with some boys. When I'm done with this, I'm sure y'all get it.
And now these niggas just watch. Walk up the stairs, you know that bitch up in my pocket.
First thing first, let me set the tempo. This shit too easy, it's simple. I'm running the Benzo. This movie ain't no Kenzo. Tell none of these niggas I'm big broke. You ain't fucking in what you here for. Might put my tongue on sip now, but you know just how that shit go. I'm the shit, she know I'm a big deal. The rest of these niggas get shit on. I done been recouped that little deal. How you think I'm putting that shit on? So close to touching my first meal. I might just go put my bitch on. 100K a month still, and I ain't dropped no big song.
Crispy. If y'all made this fun, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Tell me how I did. Need your mirror, you know? Make sure y'all watching everything. I'm gonna just go ahead. I'm probably gonna use a guard for the back end. Yeah, make sure y'all brush that back down. That's how I told y'all to do. Make sure y'all do that. Make sure y'all brush y'all hair down first. Alright, but I'm finna show y'all how to do it on this side. And then, you know how I do it. You know, I'm doing this side first. And then I'm gonna just show y'all on the other side. Cause ain't no work for y'all to see that I'm gonna like it. Yeah. Let me see. Alright, I'm gonna get like this. Make sure y'all know your hair like it. Make sure I beat. You ain't gotta be. Take your time. Yeah, that's right. Y'all look how crispy that line is. Already. Hopefully y'all can see that. Gotta say too much. Just so far gonna back front. Make sure make the guard around this. There we go. Place, swipe down. 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 Just eliminate all day. Thank you. Make sure. That's your cookie. That shit down. Down, up, down, up, down, up. See this right here? Y'all spend your money on like a $50 set. It's gonna take you a long way. No more $25 here and there. You might as well go ahead and buy yourself equipment and figure out how to do it yourself. Facts. All you need is YouTube. That's what my dad told me. Hey, you see what you doing for real try. I'm kind of still working on it for it, and I've been doing it for a minute, but I don't know how to do it on my own. Somebody else here, but I'm myself. It's the hardest part right here. So you can barely see what you're doing. So that's why I say be careful. Make sure I have an open guard. When y'all going down, have it closed all the way. Go down, go down, go down. Make sure I have it closed. That's why I said set that guard on so y'all can see where y'all working.
Fuck what the internet say, this used to be my nigga. I hope you see the best. And he also says, dead or alive, I'ma love you forever. You took me out the hood.
For sure, y'all the fun. Put it, we looking straight, Chris, we mind you, I'm not the best at this, so, you feel me? Y'all just take my advice, But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and show some love, If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all turn on the post notification. And then follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at K.Cardi. Look at the locks. Look at the locks. There. My boys, show me some love in the comments. Alright, y'all boys. It's your boy K.Cardi, and we out.
Damn. This song sound like crazy now. Damn, my motherfucking phone. What the fuck? Okay. I got a bad bitch with a fat wrist and a love for sex, bitch.